Hi, I'm Ian Cull, the Technical Director of the Indoor Air Quality Association, bringing you an IAQA Tech Tip on the ISO RIA Standard 6001. If there's been a fire in a commercial building, I'm confident that the heating, ventilating, and air conditioning or HVAC system in the immediate area has been impacted. But what about the HVAC system on a different floor or in a different wing of the building? Are those HVAC systems impacted by fire-related particulate? Or what about a small fire in a home? Was it significant enough to impact the HVAC system? A new standard has been recently published that addresses these very questions. It was developed by two organizations. One is the Indoor Environmental Standards Organization, or IESO, which happens to be a subsidiary of the IAQA, and the second organization is the Restoration Industry Association. Samples are collected in select locations of the HVAC system for char and soot. Char is the primary indicator of fire residue, and soot particles are a secondary indicator. The standard defines both char and soot and describes the tape lift and wipe samples that must be collected to make a determination. The standard also describes the protocols for laboratory analysis, but consultants and contractors don't need to follow these steps. These are the protocols that should be followed in the laboratory, so make sure your lab is aware of this standard and adhering to it. By applying this standard, you can determine which HVAC systems in a large building have been impacted by fire-related particulate and therefore require cleaning. It'll also help you determine which ones were not impacted and therefore prevent unnecessary and potentially costly cleaning. On the residential side, it'll help you determine if a small fire was significant enough to impact the HVAC system. The title of this new standard is Evaluation of Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning Interior Surfaces to Determine the Presence of Fire-Related Particulate as a Result of a Fire in a Structure. If you'd like to purchase this standard, visit IESO.org.